Alright, let's look at the practice exam 3, number 3. Alright, so we are looking for the equation of the tangent line to this given function. Right, so let's do that. Alright, always two things that we need. Right, first thing is a point, usually the point of tangency, so we call it x1 comma y1. And in this case, it's already given right here, right? So it's x1 is 0 and y1 is 1, right? The second thing we need is a slope, so I'm gonna call it m, right? But in this case, all you just have to do is take the derivative, because derivative tells you about the slope of the tangent line, and plug in the x1 value, so in this case 0, right? So let's do that. So first we have to find the derivative. So y prime is equal to, right? So this is general power rule. So you have a power 2. So put the power in front, 2. Keep the same quantity, e to the 4x minus 2. And subtract 1 from the power, which is going to be 1. I'm not going to write that. Then multiply by derivative, of the inside function, right? Derivative of e to the 4x would be e to the 4x. It's actually, then you have to do another chain rule because you have to multiply by derivative of 4x, which is 4. Right? And derivative of negative 2 is 0 anyway. So we have that. Alright, so you will have, maybe simplify that a little further. So you can see that you can multiply 2 and 4 together. So you have 8. Then you have e to the 4x, e to the 4x there. Then multiply by quantity, e to the 4x minus 2. Right? So that takes care of that. Alright, then all you have to do is plug in x equals 0. So you have 8 times e to the 4 times 0 and times quantity e to the 4 times 0 minus 2. Right? Right, e to the 0 is 1. So this guy is 1. Right? So and also this guy is 1, so 1 minus 2. So this is actually negative 1, right? So you have negative 1 times 8, so it's negative 8, right? So therefore, the equation of the tangent line is y minus y1, which is 1, is equal to, slope is negative 8, times quantity x minus x1, which is 0, right? I mean, if you want, you can write it as y is equal to, so negative 8x, and put negative 1 on the other side, plus 1, right? That's another way to write it, but that's the equation, right? That's it. I hope that this was clear.